I want to show you the app. So you can see down here Furbulous. So you can actually download an app and there's a QR code on the instruction manual that'll walk you through exactly how to do that. But look at the app, look what you have in here. You have a lot of options. I love that you have information here on, you can clean it, empty it, or auto pack. I also like that down here on the bottom you have toileting times. So you can see if your cat is going to the toilet more frequently. That'll give you some insight into their health. You can also see average duration. Are they spending more time or less time? I love that you can trend. They give you weight information as well. So this is really, really cool and something that's super easy on your phone so that you can access it at any time. Here is the location where we are going to have it. You can see here I have the mat put down here, and then here is the litter box. It is ready to go. It went through the preparing cycle again because I did plug it in up here. So now let's get Rosie and introduce her to the new box. So here is Rosie. I put some of her food and her water out here in a toy just to see if she will come over to the litter box. Usually she's pretty curious, so hopefully she will make her way over here and check it out. Okay. All right, there she goes. Curiosity. Good girl, Rosie. Good girl, Rosie. Rosie. And I like that over here on the side, they're actually on there, it's showing occupied. So it is aware that she's in there, which is great. Good girl, Rosie. And you can see there's actually an updated one that says cat around. So it's saying that it notices that she's around, so she's in front of it, and it's occupied when she's actually inside. So I thought that was really cool. Final thoughts on this litter box. She actually went in there really easily. I was thinking it might take her more time to get used to it, but she actually jumped right in, which was awesome. So I actually think we're gonna keep this litter box and get rid of the other one, just because honestly, I feel like it's a lot cleaner. I like that it's white. You have this part that's gray, but I feel like it's not going to end up as dirty as that other one that you saw. I also like that the trash receptacle is a lot larger on this litter box. I like that this pad is included because this is a lot bigger than the one that I have also. And then I just feel like it's a lot more efficient. I really like the auto packing trash bag feature. I think that's going to make it to where it's really clean. And it also has a lot of safety features as well. It knows when the cat is around. It knows when the cat is occupied also. So ultimately, I think I like this one more than the one that I have, and I will keep this one going forward.